In this video, you will learn how to set up your GoCardless account. To set up your GoCardless account, visit the website and click on the sign up button. Enter your email address and password, then follow the prompts to complete the registration. After that, go to your email box and find the verification email from GoCardless. Click on the verification link to confirm your email address. After that, log in. You will need to link your bank account. Go to the settings or bank account section. Enter your bank account details to enable transactions. Follow the on-screen instructions to link to your bank account. Choose a payment plan. If you're using GoCardless to collect payments, select a pricing plan based on what you need. There may be different options for businesses or for personal use. For recurring payments or direct deposit setup, GoCardless will guide you through this process easily. A card payment request or subscription. If your business collects payments, creating a payment or subscription request by entering your customer details and the payment amount. For customer setup, select the service or subscription. Follow the prompts to authorize a payment via your bank. Authorize payments. If you are a customer using GoCardless, you'll be authorized the payment directly through your bank using a secure process. Follow the instructions to authorize and complete your payment setup. Confirmation. Once everything is set up, you will receive a confirmation from your bank that it is linked or payment details being authorized. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.